Yeah. Dude, get the hell up. Dude, these guys don't know a lot of Samoan people are rooting for them.
Usos have taken a lot of punishment in this
You're not
match.
even moving. Get out.
This is their chance. But if they escape, both members will have to escape. Hopefully they're going to have to hit the floor. Usos are going to scale the cage.
Come on.
Those guys are gonna kick them down. Move, boo boo.
Sully, hurry up. Get him. Get him. Dude, how fast did these guys come? Yeah, that guy's not going to make it. Sully, come on. Get him down. Get him down. Come on, come on. Come on. There you go. Kick him. Kick him. Kick his face.
The guy on the highest is gonna fall.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Ooh! Both of them fell.
Sheesh.
Told you they
Look
winning.
at this guy. Look at this guy. Oh, yes. Marlon. Lance Elo.
Oh crap! Oh crap!
Come on, come on.
Hurry up and get over there and help your partner. And they get beat up right after.
He's laughing or what? Man, you guys must have fun like kicking everyone and stuff. He's like, come on, Moose. Is that Savage?
That's Usos style.
No,
Remember? Say
They should
Uso,
foul.
we want a new Focola.
Shut up! Did they foul him yet?
I think they can.
Sully, fica mais pesado.